Hello everyone, welcome to my Unreal Engine tutorial series on how to create an open world game. So this time I'm going to show you how to implement death of these characters, these enemy characters and player character. So when I perform a couple of attacks, they will die like this. So that's what I am going to show you today. And as always, this episode is sponsored by these patrons. If you like to support my channel, I'll put the link to my Patreon page in the description below. And also you can download the source code as well in the Patreon page. Right, let's get started. Okay, so to implement death, first I need to define the health attribute for the character. So I will define a new variable in my 𝐒𝐻𝐸𝐭 character. So this is the base or parent character of all the character classes in my game, in this case player and the enemy for now. Okay, and I need this variable type to be float, and I'll name it as health. Okay, and as for the default value, this must be 100, and well, let's, instead of 100 I'll put 10, because we always have plus plus minus minus connotes, so easier to deal with it. So right, and when I get hit I should reduce the health, so I should do that in my get hit part here on weapon hit, and this is when I am blocking. This path is taken when I am blocking, and this path is taken when I am getting hit. And I'm not going to explain about these methods, this on weapon hit or anything, because I have explained them in previous videos. So I'm going to use it just like this. Okay, and here I should reduce my health, so I should do it in this section, because this part is coming from not getting hit part as I am blocking, so I should do it here. Okay, I'll get the health and do a minus decrement float and connect it like this. Then I'll make this into a function, collapse this into a function, because not a function, I'll collapse this into a macro. And reduce health, not reduce, I'll just call it update health, because in future I may need to have add health parts as well, like getting potions or medipacks or something. So I'll call it update health, and instead of this one, instead of this one I'll do a set health value like this, and I'll reduce from current one, and this is the amount I reduce. So I'll call it damage level, and as for the default value I'll set 1, so that if I have something like a power attack, then I can call the same method with the damage level larger than 1. Okay, and yeah, so when I when my health is 0, I should kill this character. This guy should die. So I have to check here if my health value is smaller than 0. If it is not, then it should be like this. If it is smaller than 0, then I should make this character killed. This guy should die. So in here I'm gonna need a death animation. So I'll go to mixer mode. Okay, for the death animation I'm going to use this one. So I'll download it without skin. I don't need the skin because I already have the static skeletal mesh for this character. And I'll put this animation under, where do I, common. Okay, so this is the animation, and I'll create an animation montage from this, and I'll play that here. The name is death, falling back death, this one. And also, well, just because I played this death animation, that wouldn't mean that my other parts of my blueprint would not know that this guy is dead, so they will still try to play other animations as well. So well, let's think about that later. So first I'll do this death animation. Actually I can do something like this. I have already implemented this ready animation, ready event variable. So I'll, in here, when this guy is dying, I'll set ready state to false. So I have explained about this ready variable, so I am going to check this before playing some animation montages like attacking. So if this is false, then the attack montages won't be played, but still there may be some places that I haven't checked this ready animation ready state. So yeah, we may have to fix a little more. Right, let's check if this works for now. Okay, right. Why did he die at the first time? Because I reduced only 1, haven't I? What went wrong? I'll do a print here like this so that I can check the value. Wait, that's odd. Right, the problem is this. I should do this part here and this part here. This part, the death animation should play if the health is lower than 0. Sorry about that. Stupid small mistake. Okay. I have to do 10 attacks. And this should be the final attack. Oh wait, he's running away. Well, my own system running away. Okay. And he's getting up again because of this. Because in my enemy character I have implemented this logic, and here I don't care about if this guy is already dead or not. So I should check that where in here maybe, and toggle attacking. First I will create a function to check if this character is dead or not. Is dead, and for the output I'll add a boolean dead, and this must be, I should check here if this is less than 0, less than or equal to 0. Okay, now in order to call this function, isDead function, I have to connect 2 lines here. Where? Right, so I have to connect this execution line like this, but I can get rid of that if I make this function a PO function like this. So then I can use it like this. I don't need an execution path to call that. Okay, and now I'll create another macro. Well, I already have a macro here. Okay, and I will add that dead part to this one as well, like this is dead. So this guy should be ready and not dead. So I should get a not like this, and over and here. No, well, I'll leave this one like this, and I'll just directly go to my fight, under attack. So this is where I call attack. I'll check if I am dead or not here like this. Is dead. Okay, now let's check. Still, I'm pretty sure that I may have to do that dead check in some other places as well. Wait, Something is wrong. I can't equip the sword. Okay, I should use the false output here. Right. I'll attack this guy 10 times. Now he's blocking. And he's moving away from me. Okay, he died and he got back up. That's because I am not staying in the dead. After this one is ended, this part is ended, this character simply get back on feet. So right here I should have a looping part, or I should enable ragdoll after he get on the floor like this. And in this episode I don't have the time to do the ragdolls, so therefore I'll add the looping part like this. Is there a way to duplicate this one? No. Okay, I'll add the same animation right here, and for the second part I'll use the only the final moment, only the last half of this animation, or last few seconds, and I'll loop it. So I'll start from the total length of this animation is 2.2 seconds, so I'll use that 2.152. right, this section, and I'll loop this section like this. I'll create a new section, loop it here, and make it loop like this. So when I play this animation, this guy will stay dead like this, and as you can see, this end part is looping. That's a quick fix for that, but I'm not going to keep this that lousy fix for long. Well, to be easy to check, I'll decrease the health of this anime guy into 3. Right? Okay. And now he's dead, but he keep moving. That's because, again, my AI don't know that this guy is dead. So we have to fix that as well. One thing I can do is to prevent others odd behaviors when I am dying. I think I can stop the tick. Set tick, set actor tick. We have, yeah, I'll disable it like this, so that this tick or whatever happens in here will not take place when the character is dead. And also I should be able to unpossess the controller when I'm dying, but okay, how can I do that? I don't remember that. Something like unpossess. controller. Let's try this. Get controller and unpossess. Let's see if that works. Okay, I think he's staying dead for now. Alright, and I got some error. Well, let's deal with the errors in later episodes. So for now, I'll duplicate this character and kill these two guys. Oh, they are running away from me. Alright, I haven't fixed that registering themselves as the enemies bug yet, so I can't put two enemies here. Let's fix that in the upcoming episodes as well. For now, to conclude this episode, I'll kill this guy again. Don't run away. Okay, stay dead. And also I should do something like detaching this weapon from this guy. Well, there are many things in mind. Let's do one by one. Alright, so that's all for today. See you in the next episode. And be sure to check my Patreon page for the updated source code. I will upload it in after some couple of days. Okay, see you in the next video. Goodbye.